Hello and welcome to Physics Teacher. In this episode, I am going to show you how to draw these wonderful organic compounds inside of Microsoft Word. Let's get started. So the first thing you're going to want to have to do is to go on Google and search for Chem4 Word. And then you can download and install the Chem4 Word add-in for Microsoft Word. Once you've installed it, you're going to notice you have this chemistry tab in Microsoft Word. And then we can go to Draw. Now in Draw, we have lots of things we can do. One, we can choose a different element, either from a list or directly from the periodic table if you prefer. You can choose whether you want single, double, triple bonds, or other types of 3D shapes too if you want them. This is just draw, so when you draw I can click and it's already set to carbon, so it's going to place carbon and then it's going to place 4 hydrogens just to make it happy. Now if I want, I can click on the hydrogen in order to move it around. Then I can click on the carbon and hold and drag around until I'm ready to place another carbon, like so. Now you can also do this quickly if you decide to just make a chain. So if you click Draw Chain, you can click and hold and just keep holding, drawing out your chain until you've got a nice long carbon chain that you're happy with. And then if you like, you can add a halogen. So let's add a chlorine, for example. I'll go back to Draw and I want to put my chlorine right here. There you go. If you select oxygen, then it'll immediately put a hydroxyl group on there for you. You can also select some cyclic compounds. So let's choose a benzene ring. And I am going to put it right there. All right, so now that we have the basics, let's write a reaction. I'm going to write the reaction with the reagents that'll give us ethyl benzoate. So we're going to start with a benzene ring. Just going to place it here. I'm going to go back to Draw. Then I want to add a carbon. So I'm going to go back and reselect carbon. And I'm going to put it right here. Click and release. Then from here I want to add a oxygen with a double bond. So I'm going to select double bond. And we're going to go to oxygen. And just click and hold, and when you're ready, release. So you can see it immediately gets rid of the hydrogen because it's not required anymore. Now from here, I want to add a hydroxyl group. So I'm going to go back and select a single bond, like so. Perfect. Now let's add something else. Now it doesn't matter where you place everything. I'll show you how to align it at the end. So let's start with a carbon chain. Let's go back to Draw. I'm going to start with a CH4, but I want to move that hydrogen over. So I'll click on it and again. And then I want another carbon group here. And then I want a hydroxyl group. Perfect. Now that's going to give us, we can do arrows here. All sorts of arrows you can do if you just want a reaction or equilibrium. I'm just going to do a reaction, and then I'm going to click on the Draw Reaction. And I can put in my arrow. Make it as long or as short as I want. All right, now that's going to form ethyl benzoate. So let's draw that. Now it looks like I'm running out of room. That's okay. I can just scroll over a bit. We're going to go back to carbon. Draw. And then I want a double bond for oxygen. Right up there. And then I want a single bond to another oxygen right there. But instead of that hydrogen, I want to add more carbons. So one there, and then again, one there. So there's our reaction. Now what we can do is to align it nicely. I can go here and just select everything. And here are our alignments. So I want to align it so it's nicely in the middle. Perfect. Then I click OK. And there we go. Right into our Word document. Beautiful.